Hello everyone, welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the print progress changed, export progress changed, AJAX before load, AJAX success, and AJAX error events in an ASP.NET Core application. Events are specific actions or occurrences in a report or its components that you can respond to programmatically. They act as triggers that allow developers to execute custom logic when something happens in the report viewer, designer, or processing engine. For this demo, I have already created an ASP.NET Core application and added the report viewer control. There's a link in the description below to a video showing you how to get to this point. Let's start by looking at how the print progress changed event works in this report. For this demo, I have already designed an invoice report and added it to the report server application. Copy the URL and update the report service URL. Report server URL with the copied URL. And then update the service authorization token. And report path properties with the report name, which is added in the report server application. Inside on print progress changed method, add code to refresh the viewer page when the print process is started. Let's run the application to render a report. Then, click the print button to open the page. During this time, the report viewer page is refreshing. Next, initialize the export progress changed event and on export progress changed method. The event is triggered when export progress changes. Inside the method, add a code block that returns the export document format and its stage in the alert dialog. Run the application to render a report. Click the PDF button to trigger the event. It displays the export format and its process stage within the alert dialog. Then assign the onAjaxBeforeLoad method to the ajaxBeforeLoad event. This event is triggered before the AJAX request process starts. It sends a header request and custom data and returns report viewer token. For this demo, send a service authorization token through the header. And remove on the service authorization token API property in the bold report viewer tag. Now run the application. And the report is rendered by sending the service authorization to the header. Similarly, add the ajaxsuccess event. And implement the onAjaxsuccess function. The event is triggered when an AJAX call succeeds. Run the application to trigger the event, and the alert message is displayed. Finally, assign the onAjaxerror method to the ajaxerror event. It was triggered when errors occurred in the report. Inside the method, add a code block to display an error message in the alert. To do this, I'll wrongly update report service URL and report server URL and run it. It triggers the event and displays the error in the alert dialog. In this video, I have shown you how to implement Bold Reports progress and AJAX events to interact with your report in an ASP.NET Core application. To learn more about Bold Reports, you can visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Reports subscription, you can try out the platform with a free trial. If you prefer a demo from an expert, selecting Request Demo allows you to schedule one. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like it. Thanks for watching.